Greetings from NeuronThemes. Welcome to yet another video on how to create beautiful and engaging pop-ups that serve their purposes. For this video, we are going to build a subscription pop-up to help you grow your email list. So let's get to it. We have here a blank state to start on. Let's configure the pop-up settings first. Set the width and the height of the pop-up. Let's assign an entrance animation so our pop-up doesn't scare our users away. The same goes for exit animations. Go to the Style tab and let's configure the Close button. Set the positions and the size of the button. Let's add our first section. Now let's edit the column. Go to the Style tab and set a background color. And from the Advanced tab, we will set the margin values of 4 pixels on all sides. Let's introduce the first element onto the page. Drag in an image element, and then upload our image. Set the image size to full. Now, go to the Advanced tab and add some margin values. By adding negative margin values, we get this beautiful effect as if the image is floating out of its corner. Below our image, we'll drag in a heading element to invite users to subscribe to our newsletter. Go to the Style tab. Let's fine-tune these typography options to have our pop-up be more elegant. Add our content. Go to the Style tab and set the text color. This should do just fine. Let's fine-tune these typography options, and for our subscription pop-up, we will of course need the form element so that users can submit their email addresses. Let's delete 2 of the fields because as mentioned, we only need their email address. And now, let's hide the labels. We will have our field have the column width to be 75%, and now we shall edit the button. We will have our button have the column width to a value of 25%, and this time we will upload an icon instead of writing plain text. This will require some more design work. Let's go to the Style tab. Set the column gap and the row gap to be the value of 0. Let's design the fields. Assign our text color and configure the typography options to complement the rest of our design. We will assign a border color and let's change the width value of 1 pixel for only the bottom part of the form field. Lastly, we will style our button. Let's have the background color be transparent, set a border, configure the width value of the border, assign a color for the border, and you're done. This is our design, but now we shall set the triggers and advanced rules. Click on Publish. We will set the conditions and we will have our pop-up be displayed on the entire site. And now let's go straight to the advanced rules. And we are going to switch the rule Show After X Page View and assign the number 3. This means our pop-up will be displayed to users who have browsed 3 or more pages on our site, because by then we can assume that these users will like our content. You can also set it to show after a certain amount of time from the Triggers tab. Now, let's see our pop-up live in action. We'll scroll down the first page, the second page, the third page, and here it is. This is our pop-up. This concludes our video. Follow up on other videos to learn more about our robust pop-up builder.